Deepseek is a cutting-edge technology developed in China. It has the potential to revolutionize our understanding and use of the world's oceans. This technology combines advanced sonar and radar systems, allowing for unprecedented deep-sea exploration and analysis. Deepseek represents China's growing technological prowess and has significant implications for various fields, from civilian research to military applications. Deepseek's power lies in its unique integration of sonar and radar technologies. Traditional sonar uses sound waves to map underwater environments, while radar employs electromagnetic waves for detection and ranging in the air. Deepseek combines these two approaches, allowing it to penetrate deep into the ocean floor and gather highly detailed data. The technology can map underwater terrain, identify objects, and even analyze the composition of the seabed. Deepseek holds immense promise for civilian applications. Scientists and researchers are excited about its potential to advance our understanding of the Earth. In geological surveys, Deepseek can help locate valuable resources, including oil, natural gas, and mineral deposits. This information is crucial for resource management and economic development. Archaeologists are also eager to utilize Deepseek, as it can help uncover hidden shipwrecks and ancient underwater cities, providing invaluable insights into human history and cultural heritage. Military implications. A new era of underwater warfare. The military implications of Deepseek are significant. This groundbreaking technology is poised to revolutionize how underwater conflicts are managed and executed. With its cutting-edge features, Deepseek offers unprecedented capabilities that could change the dynamics of naval engagements. Its advanced detection capabilities have the potential to reshape underwater warfare. By utilizing state-of-the-art sonar and underwater drone technology, Deepseek can identify and track underwater objects with remarkable precision. This could lead to a new era where underwater stealth is no longer a viable option for adversaries. Navies worldwide are closely watching its development. Military strategists and naval experts from various countries are keenly observing the progress of Deepseek, understanding that it could shift the balance of power in maritime operations. The global military community is abuzz with discussions about its potential applications and strategic advantages. Deepseek could be used to detect and track submarines with greater accuracy than ever before. This enhanced tracking capability means that submarines, which have traditionally relied on stealth, may find it increasingly difficult to evade detection. The implications for submarine warfare are profound, potentially altering tactics and strategies that have been in place for decades. This technology could also be used to map underwater terrain and identify potential hazards for naval vessels. Accurate mapping of the ocean floor can provide critical information for safe navigation, mission planning, and avoiding underwater obstacles. This capability is not only beneficial for military operations, but also for commercial and scientific endeavors. This gives a significant advantage in submarine warfare and maritime security. By integrating Deepseek into their fleets, navies can enhance their operational effectiveness, ensuring better protection of maritime borders and assets. The future of underwater warfare and security is set to be transformed by this innovative technology. Deepseek in the global tech race, China's pursuit of innovation. Deepseek's emergence highlights China's growing role in the global technological landscape. Over the past few decades, China has made significant strides in various technological fields, from telecommunications to space exploration. The country's commitment to innovation is evident in its substantial investments in research and development, which have propelled it to the forefront of global tech advancements. As China invests heavily in research and development, it is emerging as a leader in cutting-edge technologies. The nation's focus on education and fostering a culture of innovation has resulted in a new generation of highly skilled scientists and engineers. These professionals are driving forward groundbreaking projects that are setting new standards in various industries. This has sparked a global race for technological supremacy, with countries vying for dominance in fields like artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and now underwater exploration. The international community is closely watching China's advancements, as they have the potential to reshape the global tech landscape and influence future technological trends. Deepseek is a testament to China's ambition to become a global leader in science and technology. This innovative project not only showcases China's capabilities, but also underscores its determination to push the boundaries of what is possible. As China continues to invest in and prioritize technological innovation, it is poised to play a pivotal role in shaping the future of global technology. Controversies and concerns: transparency and international security. The development of Deepseek has not been without controversy. The lack of transparency surrounding its development and potential applications has raised concerns among some international observers. Critics argue that China's military advancements, coupled with a lack of openness, could destabilize the region and fuel an arms race. There are also concerns about the potential for misuse of this technology. This includes activities like espionage and unauthorized surveillance. The future of DeepSeek, shaping global technology and geopolitics. DeepSeek represents a significant leap forward in our ability to explore and understand the world's oceans. This groundbreaking technology utilizes advanced underwater drones and high-tech marine research equipment to delve deeper into the mysteries of the ocean than ever before. By harnessing these innovations, we can uncover new marine species, map uncharted territories, and gain insights into the ocean's role in regulating the Earth's climate. Its potential applications, both civilian and military, are vast and still being explored. For instance, in the civilian sector, DeepSeek can aid in environmental monitoring, disaster response, and resource management. On the military front, it can enhance naval operations, surveillance, and underwater defense systems. The crossover between these applications highlights the dual-use nature of this technology, making it a pivotal tool in various fields. As China continues to develop and refine DeepSeek, it will undoubtedly shape the future of global technology and geopolitics. China's advancements in this area are setting new standards and pushing the boundaries of what is possible. The impact of these developments will be felt worldwide, influencing international relations and technological standards. International cooperation and dialogue will be crucial in ensuring that DeepSeek's development benefits all of humanity. Collaborative efforts can lead to shared knowledge, resources, and strategies that maximize the positive outcomes of this technology. Global technology summits and diplomatic discussions will play a key role in fostering these cooperative relationships. It is essential to establish clear ethical guidelines and international norms for its use. These guidelines will help navigate the complex moral landscape associated with such powerful technology. International policy meetings and tech ethics conferences are platforms where these crucial discussions can take place, ensuring that the deployment of DeepSeek aligns with global values and principles. This will help to mitigate potential risks and ensure a more secure and stable future. By addressing security concerns and establishing robust risk mitigation strategies, we can safeguard against misuse and unintended consequences. Global security discussions will be vital in crafting a framework that supports the safe and beneficial use of DeepSeek technology for generations to come. Hey everyone, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you won't miss any of our new videos. Let's get started. Subscribing is super simple. Just click the red button below. All done? Awesome! And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and tell your friends. See you in the next one. Bye!